All right, gonna be the first time pulling out the sea hunt with the Gatorbaks installed. So I will video the whole thing and we'll see how she does. Love the way it turned out, love the way it looks. It feels a little bit slicker than carpet, but I guess we're gonna find out. All right, let's do it. All right, here's the true test. Let's see how slick it is as far as wenching it all the way up to the bow stop, because it's about 4 inches off right now. Well, on the carpet, I couldn't get it to move at all. So it's definitely a little bit slicker than carpet. Wasn't as slick as I thought it might be, but came all the way up. No issues at all. So perfect. Touch in there. We don't have to worry about it bouncing up and down or anything like that. So overall, I think it's a win. I did notice a little bit of residue on the front bunks, kind of, but it wiped right off. It didn't actually mark it, so that's also a win. So I don't know if that will probably get better, a little bit better, once they're worn in. But as of right now, the little stuff just literally wiped right off without marking the hull, which with the carpet, it was putting little marks there, and I had to like lightly wet sand it, polish it to get all that stuff off. So definitely a much better alternative than carpet. Looks like it's gonna last long, so I guess we will see. I'm out.